Hey guys, how are you? And I hope you'll be fine. I am here with my new YouTube video. Today the topic of my video is about high pencil heel and some platform heel. And as you see, there are some pencil heel in white color and it look very good. And this is some heel in different design, look very beautiful. This is some block heel and look very beautiful. So these type of heel you will see in this video, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do subscribe my channel and press bell icon. When you press bell icon, whenever I post my new video, you will get a notification. Like this video, comment on this video, and share this video. So I hope you like this video. Without any further, let's get started. So as you see, there are very beautiful heels in different colors. Look very beautiful. This is in platform heel. This is some neon type of colors. This is also nice color. This is also platform heel. Look very beautiful. This is also very nice. Very pretty. And this is some transparent heel. This is also very nice. It look very good. And this color is very. There are heel in uh, different colors. This is the black and yellow of combination. It look very beautiful. This is red color of heels. This is also very nice. This is the army type of thing color. And this is in pink color. This is some blue platform heel and it's very beautiful. This is also some unique type of thing. And this is some very colorful. This is also some good design. And this is also very nice. This is a type of high pencil heel. And this is an orange color. This is in black. And that's it for the video. I'll see you in my next video with post soon, inshallah. And Allah Hafiz. Bye guys. And